Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'll be going over two products, showing you guys what I got and installing them. So let's go ahead and open up the boxes. So show you what I have here. All right, we're gonna open up this first one here. So in this box, I believe is the hood struts. Now these hood struts are the Overtake hood struts. They are higher, or what do you call it, the high lift hood strut, so it will lift the hood a little higher than usual. If I can get this open. And the reason for that, two reasons. I mean, mainly for show is a good thing too, but also working on the car with more, accessibility. So here we have it. Hood struts here. Looks like you got the card. This is a QR code for installation, and looks like they gave us a little decal. All right, so we'll go ahead and open it up here. There you have it. Pretty straightforward. Overtake emblem there, or decal. Now, not to compare, but I've had the Grimspeed hood struts on my previous STI, and it's nice that they put this on already for you, so I don't have to, deal with making it straight or whatever. But let's go ahead and also unbox the other product that I have here. All right, next product we have in this box is the carbon fiber fuse box cover. Now, I've been wanting to get this for a while. I just haven't pulled the trigger, and I recently just did it. And yeah, I don't know, just give the car a little more carbon fiber finish in the engine bay. Maybe we'll have to get this box out of the way. So this is the Revel GT dry carbon fuse box cover. Right there it says 2015 to 2018 STI, but it will fit up to 2021. But anyways, so there's two out there in the market that I was able to find. They have the Revel GT, and then they do have the Cobb Red Line one. I was going to go with that one, but I think I just wanted more of a plain carbon fiber finish instead of having the emblem on there. This looks like they give you some, information there, package. Here you have it, all in the bubble wrap here. Let's go ahead and get it uncovered. Really nice package. And then so there you have it. Really lightweight. Nice weaves. And wow, look at that. It's got the 3M tape there for you, so really easy installation there. And then it looks like inside the bubble wrap here, you got the installation packaging, how to do it. Comes with some wipes here, and I believe it's just a stick-on. I don't know, we'll find out how to install it here, but I'm really impressed with this. It looks really nice and clean. So yeah, let's go ahead and install the parts, but I think we'll do the struts first. Pretty straightforward, so let's get started. All right, we're going to start off with the passenger side strut here. Really only one tool you'll need is a flathead screwdriver, small enough preferably to fit inside this crevice here to pop off the strut. So we'll pop off right here. It's a little tab. There you go, real easy there. And the hood might fall down, so you might want to maybe have another person, but I'll be able to hold this off with one hand. And then we'll pop off the other side. Real easy there, as you see. We'll set that off to the side here. And then we got the new one. So the way this is going to be installed is different from the original strut. The way they had it was facing down like this on the OEM one, but now the way this is set up, it's going to be flipped around. And now there is a reason for that, so let's go ahead and pop this on here, and then we'll get that set down there for now. We'll go ahead and do the other side, because as you can see, it's not going to reach right now, and I'm really, unless you could try to pop it in. I don't know, maybe let's try popping it in. There you have it. That was pretty easy. So we'll go ahead and do the other side. Alright, now moving on to the fuse box cover. We'll just pop this off. If there's two tabs here, should be able to just pop it off. And then I believe, like I said, it's a stick-on piece, so we'll go ahead and prep this, clean it up a bit before we throw on the cover, and then also put this all back on together. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, I'm just going to be using the waterless wash product here by Adams on the cover. Spray it on a little bit. Wipe it off with the microfiber towel. Now, I don't know if it's best to use this product. We're gonna use their wipes that came with the cover anyways. Let's just kind of get inside these little crevices, you know, making sure you have really clean surface. Not only that, but yeah, it'll be ready to wipe off with the alcohol wipe that comes with the cover here. So there you have it, pretty clean, really nice. What's also nice is, I mean, for a stick-on piece, it's not bad. If you have any scratches and stuff like that, I mean, they'll be covered up, so it's kind of nice to hide those, you know, little imperfections. But let's go ahead and get the alcohol wipe. Just like anything else, we'll go ahead and test fit it before we actually unpeel it. But yeah, it looks like it fits real nice there, so I like that. Let's go ahead and wipe this off. Comes with this cleaner pad here, making sure you have a really clean surface, free of oils, you know, wax, whatever. You just mainly probably want to get on the top side, since that's where the double side tape is on. So alright, so once we get that pretty cleaned up, now we'll get this package here, which is the adhesion promoter. So just kind of go right there where you want it to stick. Alright, and then there's a double side tape in there. Go ahead and peel that off. we'll simply just set it on top. Give it a little push to get that adhered onto the cover itself. I use a microfiber towel. Alright, and there you have it. Before you install it back into the car, you should or could have this ceramic coated, so that's what I'll go ahead and do. Using the same thing I've used on my car, the G-Technique Crystal Serum. And then yeah, we'll get that put on and we'll install it right back on the car. Alright, so same way you removed it, reversal method, put it back into the car. Just gotta make sure the tabs are lining up well. Everything is fitting correctly, as it should. There you have it. So there you have it. 2 products I installed. Real simple, real easy. Nice touches to the engine bay. The carbon fiber fuse box cover. The Overtake high lift struts there. So I'm pretty happy with that. Other than that, I mean, there ain't really much I got, to put on here. Still thinking about, getting the tie down by Overtake, and then looking into some carbon fiber shrouds for the next dress up pieces. But other than that, I think it's real nice and clean here. So if you guys have any other questions, go ahead, comment below, tell me what you guys think, subscribe, and thumbs up on this video here. That pretty much sums that up. More to come for sure. Next video, hopefully I'm working on the interior overview video. But like I said, go ahead, comment, subscribe, and like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.